You see this area that kind of looks a little bit scratchy or like a staticky looking cleaning action? So I actually kind of describe this as looking a little bit like lightning. What you're looking at here is a term that I refer to as arc deflection. So what is arc deflection? Arc deflection is essentially where our arc is struggling to maintain and establish a proper puddle or arc cone with the area that we are aiming at. It can cause you to lose accuracy with your arc. So if you're working on really thin stuff, it's actually really important to pay attention to this. Take a look at this tungsten here. This thing is trashed. It looks terrible. See how the overall finish is now all crusty and irregular and gross? This thing looks like we found it behind a dumpster behind a 7-Eleven. It's disgusting. Get it out of my sight. Take a look at this fresh tungsten here. Starting a pass out with this one. Look at how much more cleanly it establishes itself with the base material. Watch it again in slow motion. It locks on much more easily. And now we compare it to the one with the rougher finish and we see the arc deflection here. You can see why this is so important to keep a fresh and properly prepared tungsten in your torch.